The Autokut easily slits and blanks coiled material, and with its compact design, it takes up very little space. We offer the Autokut 100 and the Autokut 160. Both models can accommodate coils from 8 inches to 49¼ inches in width. They both have variable speed acceleration, allowing the Autokut to be used with a wide variety of different decoiler designs. Here is where the material enters the machine, with adjustable alignment guides and a hand wheel on either side of the machine to adjust to your material. Within the machine is a set of straightening rollers. There are 1/2 to flatten your material, and for the Autokut 160, it has 2/3 to accommodate the heavier gauge material. Both models come standard with 5 slitter blades, with an optional 6 set that can be added. Here is a slitter blade. It has a very unique design. It is in 2 separate pieces, allowing for easy adjustments or replacements. The shear cycle time is approximately 1 second. The touchscreen operator interface is very simple to use. All slitter, feeder, and straightener rollers are adjusted with just a touch of a button. Up to 18 different coils can be stored here. That was our overview of our Autokut series. If you have any questions, please visit our website or give us a call. Thank you so much for watching.